Welcome to Shiftee. Now that you've signed up for Shiftee and created your company, it's time to set up some basic settings to customize your company preferences. Let's take a look at the following basic settings. First, select a management unit that fits best for your company. You can choose a team or location from the company settings menu on the left. The selected management unit will be used for employee settings, shift assignment, and more. Now that you've set up your management unit, it's time to add your company's information. To do this, navigate to the Manage menu on the left. From here, you can manage your employees, teams locations, leaves, and more. Now, let's add the time clock area required for clocking in and out. To do this, navigate to the Timeclock Area menu. At Shiftee, you can clock in based on your time clock areas. Click Add Time Clock Area to add the time clock areas required for clocking in and out. Go to Teams menu to add teams that you want to manage and add time clock areas for the teams. You can also select multiple time clock areas for a team. Next, let's head over to the Position menu. You can add positions to distinguish employees who perform different jobs. We recommend you simply divide employees into approvers and non-approvers, regardless of their actual positions in Shiftee. Now that you've added your basic company information, it's time to customize Shiftee with company settings. In the Company Settings menu, you can configure detailed settings for all of Shiftee features. We recommend you reset the following 5 company settings first. You can also find help articles for each setting in the Shiftee Help Center. Now that you've finished all the settings, it's time to add employees and invite them to join your company. To do this, go to Manage, Employees menu on the left. Add your employees and assign them to the team's locations and positions you've already set up. You can send the invite code to your employees' email addresses or phone numbers. You've completed the basic company settings. It's time to start professional workforce management with Shiftee.